Hi, Noel. Hi, Joyce and Sam here at Kelowna Mercedes-Benz. Noel, what are you doing reading the Globe and Mail on a Sunday looking at car advertisements? I'm glad that you did. You're probably surprised when I emailed back so quickly. I was just kind of hanging out at home yesterday. I had a real good look at that advertisement, as I mentioned in my email here. Looks great on paper, but as I mentioned, a number of things are, again, left to be desired in that particular deal. It's a base vehicle with LED lights. Anyhow, we know what that is. I've now restructured things for you both here, showing you what we can do on the in-stock vehicle. Now, the deal that I was working last month was actually quite favorable for you as well. With this month, all the difference is you're getting the payment waiver, which is good, and it's an extra $1,200 back in your pocket. And I just restructured the lease here a bit differently, just so we can see what it looks like in terms of a payment. Now, again, I chose a vehicle from stock here that is well equipped, similar to what you have, but again, all-wheel drive and has navigation. I believe, Joyce, that is something that you were wanting in the current one, but didn't get a chance to have. So now you're getting a lot more options. Okay, so I want to go through all the figures and show you how much consideration you're actually getting in this deal here. So let's start off with your current lease right now. We're just going to have a quick focus down on these on this. This is the Mercedes-Benz Pull Ahead program. I input your VIN into the system and it tells me how many payments can be waived by Mercedes-Benz and what the obligation is for the customer in the end. So the payments waived in this particular scenario is $1,476.68. Of that, I pay one of those. Okay, and then it says customer obligation down here of $1,845.89. So I have factored this all together here. So you have $3,300, $3,322.57 in remaining payments. You're not going to have to pay that. Between myself and Mercedes-Benz Financial here, we're waiving 4 payments, and then I'm going to take care of the rest here, that $1,845.98. That's why I'm not able to show you a big $4,500 discount like that shiny advertisement did, but I'm still able to show you everything here. So that $4,500 discount, I said we can make that happen, right? So part of that is the $2,200 and $2,215.06 that I have to pay to get rid of your current vehicle. Then I put the remaining part of that discount in here, $2,284.94. Okay, so you get that straight discount on there. All right, so I structured it here for you over same terms, but 2 different mileage allotments here, just to show you guys the difference. So option 1 and option 2. The posted rate is 1.9%, as you saw in that ad, but with your loyalty rate, we got it down to 0.9. Now, we showed you an almost 0% last month, but that program is gone, okay? But again, it's a bit of a trade-off here because we have payment waivers now. So scenario 1, 45 months, 18,000 kilometers a year. Okay, I used the cash down from the advertisement. So that advertised payment there had cash down that was including taxes. So the pre-tax number is $55,81.25. Okay, in this scenario, it gives us a payment inclusive of tax. Keep in mind that that advertisement there of $299 didn't include taxes or any fees. You had to pay those upfront and separate. $470.56. Okay. This does not include first class lease protection, which is a lease end wear and tear protection package. Okay, that's, again, I structured it as close to that advertisement as I could. When you don't have first class lease protection, you do pay a security deposit, so that's noted here. So down payment, GST and PST, first payment, security deposit, customer obligation or due at signing is $7,221.56. You do get a 3-month payment waiver as well, and that's to a maximum of $400 per payment, inclusive of tax. So I take the first payment out, obviously, because your first payment is due at signing. So I take that first $400 out at signing, and it is $68,21.56 due at signing, and you drive away in the car here on the lot for this payment. Okay. Now I have scenario 2. Same terms. The only difference is I put 24,000 kilometers a year here. I know that, Joyce, you're doing a lot of driving right now. If you do that scenario, again, same cash down, same no first class lease protection. It's just $500.98 a month, tax included, okay? And due at signing, less that first payment for the payment waiver, is $6901.98. So folks, you're getting substantial savings here. $4,500 in consideration. In terms of half of that is going to paying out your current lease, the other half is dealer discount. $1,200 in payment waiver, so that brings up to $5,700 in consideration. Plus that 1% rate reductions, easily $1,300 in interest rates, in interest savings for that, right? So you're saving a lot of money here. $3,300 to pay out your current lease, and all that extra stuff that is in this one here. Guys, it does not get any better than this. I know I probably even said that last month, but Mercedes-Benz, again, last month's deal and this month's deal, the only difference is that interest rate versus the payment waiver, but again, it's a similar consideration. And in the end, this might be a little bit more visually appealing. In this scenario here, lease payment number 2 and lease payment number 3 will only be the difference payable between your payment and the $400. So if you took option 1, it would be $70.56 on payment 2 and payment 3, or in the other case, it's $198 on payment 2 or payment 3 there. So there you have it, folks. That is the absolute best deal that you can get on that in-stock vehicle. Again, very well equipped, something that I think you'll be happy to drive away in and be happy that you got the deal and at a payment that is very comfortable for you, I'm assuming. Only you can tell me that. Folks, I'm here all day tomorrow. Kip is away. He's going to copy me on this email. If this is something of interest, I have the car here. We can drive it, touch it, feel it, see it, everything. Give me a call or send me a quick email. Thank you so much.